Schools will be closed tomorrow in Boston and in many other cities and towns across the state. We have those scrolling at the bottom of your screen there. Boston was hit so hard that this weekend's St. Patrick's Day parade through the streets of Southie is actually in jeopardy. Louisa Moller is live in Boston with more tonight. Louisa?
Well, David, it's really a matter of how fast they can clean all this snow up. Now, crews have been fighting the storm since this morning. The mayor says they're going to be at it all night long. But with massive mounds like these all over the city, it's not going to be easy. The plows march one by one down Boylston Street. Massive payloaders scraping up each scrap of snow, even as the flakes continue to fall on Boston streets. Since early this morning, city workers used bobcats to clear a path to the public library.
People over here have been here since like 7 a.m.
Others will continue to move over a foot of snow with shovels until late into the night.
It's tiring. Yeah. It is, yeah. You get real sweaty and you gotta take it easy. You gotta pace yourself.
With school out, 15-year-old Reggie Bradley and his friend Brighton also took part in the cleanup.
We shoveled out cars and we cleaned off windows and stuff, and we shoveled people's yards, and nice people. They're really nice people.
For these kids, it's another day without school tomorrow. Mayor Marty Walsh says it could take days to clean up Boston's snow-logged streets. He even worries about the St. Patrick's Day parade in Southie days away.
If we can't clear the routes, we don't want to bring people in standing on snow piles.
I'm going to take care of all of this.
He's hoping the generous spirit of Bostonians will help get the city up and running.
I'm not going to quit until I'm done with it all. I keep going and it keeps coming. I'm getting ready to get some salt. I'm going to clean all this area here up, and I think we'll make out all right.
Well, at least that guy had a very positive attitude about all of this. Now, snow emergency in the city of Boston still in effect. That means cars that are parked on main roads can be ticketed or towed, and the mayor says he'll decide tomorrow when that snow emergency will end. We're live in Boston. Louisa Moller, WBZ News.